Hey everyone, welcome to Life with Bakecraft.
Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a product that is a fantastic addition in my kitchen. The Pyrex Easy Grab 8-piece glass baking dish set. I got that recently and wanted to show you what's inside the box. So first of all, let me take everything out of the box. Now that everything is out, let's see what we have. There are two big baking dishes. The first one is a square baking dish, and it looks like this. The size is 8 by 8 inches, and it holds 2 quarts. And this is the bigger one. This one is 9 by 13 inches, and it holds 3 quarts. It also comes with 2 1-cup storage containers. Look at how cute it is. This will be my go-to for single portion leftovers. The dishes are made of high quality soda lime glass, and that ensures that they're both durable and heat resistant. And both the dishes and the lids are safe for dishwasher, microwave, freezer, and preheated oven. One feature that stands out to me is the handles. This design is one of the reasons why I got this particular Pyrex set. And you can see that I can get a really firm grip onto this dish. They're going to be incredibly useful, especially when you're taking the dishes in and out of the oven. And they come with these super handy plastic lids. They're BPA free and perfect for keeping your food fresh and protected for longer. Let me put this on. It's a snug fit, but not too tight. It's easy to take it off as well. And on a smaller one, it looks like this. And here's something that I wanted to point out. It's a really pleasant surprise to me. As you can see, the Pyrex set is proudly made in the USA, in a town called Charleroi, Pennsylvania. You know, there's this assurance of quality and craftsmanship that comes with products manufactured here. Supporting American manufacturing not only boosts our economy, but also ensures that we're getting products that have high standards. All in all, this Pyrex set is a blend of quality, style, and functionality. If you're looking for great cookware, I would highly recommend giving this a shot. The link to the product is in the description below. If you make a purchase, I may earn a small commission, and there's absolutely no additional cost to you. If you found this review helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for your support. Until next time.